Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.
So friends, this case study is one of the very strong professional working with the government of India. He's Mr. Rohit Majumdar, and he was introduced by one of our common friends who works with the Big Five, Ernst and Young, Mr. Pankaj Sancheti, who also has been a client of ours since 2001. Now, Mr. Rohit is one of the most highest and one of the most powerful people in the organization. He understands and values our time, and he's always ready to listen in spite of knowing finances very well himself. The biggest challenge what we faced working with Mr. Rohit is that his most of his investments have been scattered and most of the investments have been offline. So the main idea for us to associate is consolidate everything in one platform and make sure that all his platforms, investments, others which he's been doing in the past are digitally equipped with us. Today, all his investments, his wife's, his sons, his HUF, all the investments are with us. It's 100% wallet share, and whatever he invests today is basically done through us on our digital platform. And after COVID, everything is now digital, which he now appreciates and understands. The biggest positive side working with Mr. Rohit has been that he always has been helpful to lend a hand. In fact, there have been some income tax issues with a lot of my investors. One of the major issues, one of my clients by the name of Vimal, he had a 18 lakh tax notice from income tax. He was very smoothly, he helped us understand and resolve the situation. More or less, Mr. Rohit being a senior person, he's a good friend. He would like to be a part of a family, and we believe that we would be able to happily grow his wealth and consolidate all his investments at a glance. Let's see what Mr. Rohit has to say about his experience with Wealth Munshi.
Can you please share a brief profile about yourself?
I am R.M. Majumdar, Rohit Majumdar, working as Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, presently posted at Raipur. And I am basically based at Hyderabad. For the past 4 years, I am in Raipur. That's all.
Sir, since how long you been associated with Wealth Munshi, and how have you benefited from the association with Wealth Munshi?
I have been associated with Wealth Munshi since last 5 years. To be correct, from September 2015 onwards. And over the years, I have seen my association with Wealth Munshi has not only grown intimately but also materially. My wealth has also substantially increased. We have good suggestions regarding the portfolio, a good interaction with the team and the team leader. Time and again, we are in touch with each other.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what made you buy your first investment with Wealth Munshi, and have you made profits from your portfolio in spite of the COVID times?
In fact, first I came across Wealth Munshi through a common friend, and I have not repented since then. It has been a very good experience, a wonderful experience with them. As far as the profitability in the COVID period is considered, I am seeing my portfolio as of now, it is giving me a very good result. Some of the funds are really doing more than 60 to 60%. None is in negative as far as I can see. Everything is in positive. It's going very well in spite of the COVID situation. That is very commendable.
What are the changes you've noticed since you have been associated with Wealth Munshi for the last 5 years?
I think the team has grown professionally well. Earlier it appeared to be a one-man army. Now it appears to be a teamwork. There are dedicated persons, I find, who will respond to your needs as and when required. They have a very regular follow-up with the clients, as far as I am concerned. A monthly meeting and a monthly call regarding my portfolio, any suggestions, any investments they seek. They keep on follow-up. That is the great thing I have seen about them.
Thank you so much. Sir, has Wealth Munshi provide you a digital platform end to end for financial planning, wealth management, and succession planning?
Yes, Wealth Munshi has provided this technical platform. They have made the facility for our purchase, sale. Even if I don't want to consult them, I can myself do it. But of course, it's a very great platform. They have also offered that succession plan. Of course, I'm yet to look at it. But yes, it's a great thing what they are doing.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what was the best experience you had with Wealth Munshi? Was it the team are patient listeners? They do a thorough background check, ask relevant questions, gather a lot of information to understand you and your family, follow a process before advising or providing you solutions, deliver what they have promised. Is it the platform of the app, the locker? Is it the technical service support? Or is it the web series and the weekly WhatsApp tutorial which has been the best experience?
If I talk about myself, I think their personal touch through WhatsApp and their complete understanding of my needs and my family needs. They are planning for my entire family. That is what has really touched me. These web series are all very good. The platform is very good. But for people like me, I still need a help, a personal help. I do not go much about on my own on these apps. So I totally rely on them on WhatsApp call or WhatsApp chats or WhatsApp advices. That is what I personally like about them.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what was the most unique feature of Wealth Munshi? Was it the entire financial planning platform? Was it the wealth management platform where you track all your investments? Was it the app where you can see and check your portfolio? Was it the personalized confidential report or the digital locker?
As far as I am concerned, that app is very good. I am able to see the entire portfolio of my family at a go. This is for me, that is much more important and much more beneficial to me.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what is the USP of Wealth Munshi? Is it making you realize your money is working for you and your family? Is it relationship building? Is it consolidation of all the financial solutions at one place? Is it providing you clarity on your finances? Is it personalization and customization of your finances? Is it that the Wealth Munshi team works with you as a guide, a mentor, an anchor to give you calculated financial solutions?
To make it short, all of the above. Rather than specifying each and every aspect, I really feel whatever you are putting across has been of a great, immense help to me. For people like me who are a bit layman, who would like to make investments for the future, your personal attention, the relationship building, your wealth management, your future planning, your future horizon till the end of my life approximately. These all things combined together have really appreciable.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what do you think differentiates Wealth Munshi from the other boys in business?
Before Wealth Munshi, I was also associated with one or two these advisors. But what I found was that they relied on my choices. They would give, sir, what is your choice? We'll invest that. That was the end of it. There was never a follow-up. But with Wealth Munshi, not only they keep a follow-up, but they advise to change the plans in case. They also advise to go for future plans. So this was missing in earlier advisors and the present advisor, Wealth Munshi. So this is the great thing I like about them.
Thank you so much, sir. What has been the eye-opener on associating with Wealth Munshi, and how did it make a difference to you?
Eye opener, as I told, the earlier advisors were not really advisors. They were only seeking my funds for investment. So this was an eye opener कि Wealth Munshi is not looking at my funds, but it is looking at how I am going to be benefited. They are more concerned about me rather than their own purposes. So this was a great eye-opener for me, basically.
Sir, when Wealth Munshi makes recommendations on your portfolio, did they consider short, medium, long-term goals, your risk profile, your needs and wants? What are you looking in terms of investment portfolio? Your goals were considered, which were short, medium, and long-term. But the recommendations multiply made on various investment options available in the market. Did the report provide you a detailed understanding on each goal and each recommendation, or all of the above?
All of the above. No doubt about it. It was all of the above.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what, according to you, are the core values of Wealth Munshi? Is it trust or ethics? Is it perseverance or integrity? Proper and clear communication, punctuality, professionalism and honesty? We are well organized with simple financial solutions. The personal touch and hand holding? Is it the capability to make decisions on your portfolio? Long-term association in mind? Is it the technology, a committed team, or a win-win approach for you and for Wealth Munshi? Or all of the above?
Again, all of the above, and more so particularly the teamwork and the personal touch. This has what swayed me. This is I like about them.
Thank you so much. Any areas of improvement you would suggest to enhance our services further?
Not now. Nothing I can tell about. It is so technically advanced that I am falling behind. So I don't think so. Anything is required at your end.
Yeah. Anything you are not happy about our associate in the last 5 years?
Nothing to be unhappy about. I am happy.
Where do you see our association 10 years from now, and how would you like to help Wealth Munshi grow further?
10 years from now, much more bonding, much more association, of course. I won't be leaving you soon, and I think you won't be allowing me to leave you soon. So we'll continue with our association since long, till much longer time.
Thank you. If you have to rate us, sir, from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, where would you like to rate us?
1 is excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, 1. I'll rate you as 1.
Thank you so much. Sir, what advice you would like to give to other investors on associating with Wealth Munshi?
Other investors, if they are looking forward to join you, I would advise them or recommend you that you are a really sincere group of persons, and your advices are not narrow based, but they are broad based. As I have told earlier, looking at the client's need, you are working for the client, not for yourself, not for your own profits, but for the profitability of your client. This is what investors, if they are looking forward to you, should be assured about. And this is what should matter to them.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, sir.